Hey everyone, welcome to my first ever YouTube video. Today I'm going to be showing you how much one of my vending machines made in just 1 month. So this is located at an Ashley Furniture home store, and I'm gonna bring you guys up there and see you in a bit. The stairs right now, heading over to the machine. It's located on the second floor, all the way in the back of the store. Oh, I see it there. Here we are. There's my machine. It's looking a little dirty. We'll make sure to clean that up. All right, let's get in there, see how much it made. All right, let's open it on up.
Get your money out.
Yes. Oh, you did pretty well. Nice. All right, we're gonna collect all of this. Alright, so we are all set here. This is probably one of my best locations I have. And we're gonna head out, guys, so I'll see you back in the car. I'm all packed up, ready to go. We're leaving the Ashley Furniture home store right now. So I'll see you guys at my house, and we'll count up how much this one made. Alright guys, we're back at the house. We're ready to count up how much money this one made. So I already took out $10. This is what one of my other machines made in a not so great location. So we're just gonna focus on how much the other machine made from the Ashley Furniture home store location. So let's get counting. $31. So we made $31 from that machine. Now we have to calculate our cost. So it's going to cost us about 5 cents on average per vend. So we're just going to do the math real quick to calculate profit. Let's do the math right now. So my average cost per vend is around 5 cents. So that means I'm making 80 cents on the dollar, and I have $31 here. So I can just do 31 times 0.8. So we'll do that right now. $31 times 0.8 is $24.80. So my profit is $24.80. All right, so this machine only cost me $40 and I just bought it used, refurbished it, made it look good as new. So this machine has already paid itself off. I've had it for several months. Please drop a like below for the YouTube algorithm and subscribe for more videos. Follow me on Instagram at Money Growth Goals. Thank you everyone for watching. Have a great day.